I'm going to show you how you can make a countdown timer. Let's start by making a variable of timer and initialize it with some number. I'm using 10, and now I'm going to go inside the function draw and I'm going to make it show up on our canvas. I'm keeping the text size 50, and in the text function I'm going to use the timer variable and make it appear approximately in the center of the canvas. Now you can see the timer variable is appearing with this value. Now to make the countdown timer, we need a condition. Inside this condition we are going to use the frame count, which is a number, and it tracks the number of frames drawn since the program started. So we are going to use the frame count. The frame count is 60 frames per second. So we are going to use the modulus 60, and we are going to say if the remainder come out to be 0. Now we are just need to decrement the timer by 1 every single time, and once we're done with that, we should have a countdown timer. There you go. But as it reaches 0, you can see is having a minus value. We do not want that. For that we can have a condition again, and that condition can stop the timer once it reaches a certain value. So timer, if it's less than 1, then we want the game to stop. So we will use no loop. And there you can see the timer is stopped. So that's how you can make a countdown timer.